Hello, namaste all. So today we are going to create office wear makeup look, and this simple makeup look is really very simple, and you can create it in your comfort zone, in your comfort timing. Like within 5 minutes you can create this look. So let's begin. First I'm using this Mama Earth Tea Tree moisturizer, and then I'm moisturizing my lips with Jovi's lip balm. So all the product link I will be giving you in the description. This is the Maybelline Fit Me primer. This is the DV primer, and DV primer means primer you can use it to give a canvas effect, like very plain and canvas like skin you can create. And now I'm going to hide my dark circles using concealer. So for concealer I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer again, and hiding my dark spots, dark circles, and wherever there is an uneven skin. So I'm going to dab it with beauty blender, and blending is very important in makeup, guys. Even skin preparation, skin prep is very important. So yes, I'm using foundation after that, and that is also from Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade 128. So 128 is my shade. If you are of my skin color and you are a dry skin type, then you can go for this foundation. So this is also, I'm just blending it with the help of beauty blender. You can blend it with brush, whatever you feel comfortable, but blending is very important. Now I'm going to set all my compact, not compact, my foundation with Compac. So for Compac I'm using Mars Compact to set my foundation and concealer. Now I'm using Swiss Beauty palette just to fill my eyebrows. So here I will get 4 shades, but I'm going to combine gray and brown shade to fill my eyebrows and give proper shape. So even if you are like you have not done your eyebrows, then you can fill with angular brush like this. It will look like you have done your eyebrows. So same color, like brown shade only, I'm giving my outer line effect just like a kajal. Means you can also apply kajal, or else with the same angular brush you can just give a small line to your lower lash line. Now with the help of NY Bay palette I am applying blush with the natural pink tone. So NY Bay, it's very pigmented palette, would highly recommend. With the same palette I am with the same shade pink color, I'm using it on my eyeshadow for my crease line, as well as I'm giving base just to give the effects of neutral eyeshadow look. So I don't want very pop-up look, so I'm just giving base and highlighted gold effect. So for gold highlighted effect I'm using K Beauty crayon pencil. Yes, K Beauty crayon pencil, you will get it from Nykaa, Amazon. Means all the link I will give you in the description, just check once. So it's very pigmented and would highly recommend for those who don't like to apply more eyeshadow, and those who don't know how to apply eyeshadow. So they can go for lip crayon. And with the help of kajal I'm applying eyeliner because I love smudging eyeliner. And the next is mascara. For that I'm using volume curl mascara, and this is one of my favorite high volume mascara, and would definitely recommend this also. If you don't like falsies, then you can go for this one. Means it will give you falsy effect and your eyes will look so good, so good. You can see the only makeup I did. And with the help of spray I'm setting my all makeup, and spray is Swiss Beauty highlighting spray. And after this I'm applying lipstick pink shade from brand K Beauty. Currently I'm obsessed with K Beauty product, so would definitely recommend if you are like someone who is going to buy makeup product, then you can go for K Beauty products. And this is the Insight lip liner kind of lipstick. So this is the final look that I have created, and it's a pinkish look, very neutral and very subtle. So this look can be created in any outfit, and it's perfect for office. It's perfect. I hope you loved it. And if at all yes, then do support this channel guys with the help of subscribe button. Do subscribe. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.